Welcome. In this video I will show you how to clean the OLED display of your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop safely. First of all, turn off your PC by going to the Start menu, going to Power Options and selecting Shut Down. Once your device is turned off, let's unplug it from the power supply and let's wait for it to fully shut down. Then, in order to clean our device's screen, I recommend using the microfiber cloth, as it's precise enough to clean the entire display and to do it efficiently. Now, clean your device's display carefully in circular motions, just like this. Do not use any additional alcohol or any liquids to clean your display, as it is quite dangerous to put any liquids on the device's screen. You may damage your display or your touch screen or your device's hardware that is connected with it. So just carefully wipe your device's screen, just like this. You want to use circular motions to not leave any stains on the device's screen. Make sure to face the device's screen to the light so that you can better see any stains on it. Okay, I think we've done a pretty good job here. Now let's take a look at the display together. Okay. So as you can see, I hope that you can see it, the display is right now pretty clean, and maybe it will be better if I face the display to the light. So as you can see right now, everything is clean and only the minute has passed. So yeah, that's a pretty quick thing to do. And now just turn your device back on. You should press the power button. And that's how you can do this safely. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.